So, long story short, I learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube about 3 weeks ago because nearly all of my friends learned how to, so I just decided to. And yeah, I just wanted to see if I could solve a Rubik's Cube underwater, and I didn't want to use a cube that I actually cared about, so I used this. So it's the Rubik's Cube, and there's the 2x2, the 4x4, the 2x2, 4x4, and the 5x5, and it's just the standard 3x3. So I'm going to open this thing. Quality packaging. Very quality packaging. Literally couldn't be better. There you have it. It will stare you in the eye. So right off the bat, it's quite heavy compared to my other cube. And turning is surprisingly well, and as well as corner cutting, because considering this is a Rubik's brand. So M slices also kind of good. And then yeah, that's all I have to say for this cube. Now I'm gonna scramble it and then do a solve on it. Meanwhile, you can look at this and this. So here it is. It's quite scrambled, I think so. So let's get to solving it. Now I did say about 3 weeks ago. So yeah, and this will be used underwater, so I'm gonna expect the turning to become a lot worse. Sorry if my fingers are in the way. Been a while since I've turned on a Rubik's brand. And there you go. Yeah, inside, not really that interesting. Just besides that, I've never seen that before. So that's pretty much all I have to say about the Rubik's brand that I'm going to use as a pool toy. So yeah, bye.